Hi, I'm Chef Joel of Enjoy Eating House and Bar, and today I'll be showing you how you can use local produce to make a very simple salad for yourself and for your family at home. I'm very happy to be working with Kranji Countryside Association to promote Singapore produce. Today we'll be using the lettuce. These are all grown in Singapore rooftop farming. Once you take it out of the packaging, it will look like this. So first, you have to remove the roots. Put it in ice water. When you are making salad, always rinse the vegetables in ice water so the vegetables remain crunchy. If you have a salad spinner to spin dry your vegetables, it'll be perfect. Otherwise, you can just use your hand and just shake the excess water out and place the salad on a plate. Some accompaniments to the vegetables could be some cherry tomato. These are tamago egg made locally by locally farmed eggs. Just slice the tomato in half and you can sprinkle the tomato just all over the salad. We cut the egg into large cubes, similar size as a tomato. And finally, we have some locally grown abalone mushrooms here. Look at how meaty they are. I will sear it lightly before adding it to the vegetables. You just need to hold it and peel it. Once the pan is heated up, add a little bit of oil. Wait till the oil is slightly smoking before adding the mushrooms. Just let the mushrooms sit and sear and get roasted on its own. At this point, always maintain high heat. Add in a little bit of salt and black pepper. Turn off the heat once you get very nice here and the mushroom is cooked. Next, you can start putting it on top with your salad. The salad is done. You can have it with any one of your favorite dressing. Some homemade dressing is all up to you. Balsamic, vinaigrette, anything is fine. Sprinkle how much you love it, and here we have it, a very simple, nutritious and delicious salad made from local produce for you.